In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Odoo account. Whether you're looking to streamline your online presence or simply need a fresh start, I'll take you through the process step by step. This guide is designed to be clear and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you want to ensure you're logged into your Odoo account. To do this, simply head over to odoo.com and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you access to a drop-down menu with several options regarding your account. In the drop-down, you're going to select the option labeled My Odoo.com account. This click will redirect you to the user portal, where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your account. It's a good idea at this point to just take a moment to look around if you haven't been here before. There's quite a bit you can do in this area. Next, you want to find the section that allows you to edit security settings. Typically, you'll find this under the My Account area. Once you locate the Edit Security Settings option, click on it. This action will bring up all sorts of security settings related to your account, which not only includes the ability to change your password, but also the option we're focusing on today, deleting your account. Now, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option. It's usually pretty clear and easy to spot among the other settings, but double-check the labels to be sure. If you're certain that you want to proceed, click on Delete Account. But be aware that this action is permanent, so ensure all your important data has been backed up or moved elsewhere if needed. Once you click on Delete Account, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Odoo's way of making sure you're absolutely certain about this decision. In this pop-up, you'll be required to enter your login details, both your username and password. This step is critical, as it serves as a verification measure to ensure that it's really you making this request and not an unauthorized person. After you've entered your login credentials, confirm the deletion. Once this is done, your account will be deleted permanently. There's no going back after this stage, so make sure this is exactly what you want to do. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your Odoo account. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has made something that can feel a little daunting, feel manageable and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.